Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Sharky's Flow & Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and today we're going to be talking about bringing your outdoor plants that have been outside all summer long and growing, bringing them indoors. Now I've got some mandevillas here, or diplodonas, and I just can't bear the fact of leaving them outdoors when the temperature here in the upper part of the Midwest is really starting to plummet. You can see it's fall time as you can see the really pretty autumn blaze maple trees in the back. They're at the peak of color right now, but it also means that our temperatures are really starting to drop quickly. So mandevillas can't handle anything really below 50 degrees, so we need to get them indoors. So we need to take some preparation in bringing plants indoors, because anything that we bring inside, we're going to be bringing in bugs, the insects that are there, and they're outside naturally, and just because you can't see them doesn't mean that they're not there. They're there. So we want to protect our plants and get some systemic insecticide into their system and protect the plant and kill off those bugs before we drag them inside. So we want to start prepping this about a week before we bring them inside. So this is Bonide, is the brand name, Bonide Systemic Insecticide. And what that is, it's a granular insecticide that you'll sprinkle around the base and on top of the soil. And when you water it, that insecticide is going to go down into the plant and get drawn up into the roots and into the plant, and that's where it protects the plant. So any of the bugs that are munching bugs or piercing bugs, if they pierce into the stem or into the leaves, they're going to pierce in and get that insecticide into the system, and that's going to kill them off. So we want to do it about a week before we're going to bring these in, is give them a good dose of systemic insecticide. Now, you've heard me before talk about the systemic insecticide. I like to hit all my outside plants and flowers about once a month, and that really helps give that level of protection for all the different bugs that come along. You have your rose chafers and your aphids and the thrips, stuff that we don't want on our plants anyway. We want to protect our plants. So systemic insecticide is a great way to give them that level of protection. Again, this one is made by Bonide. It's something that we carry in our floral shop, but you can find it at your local retailer or your local garden center. So that's the first thing that we're going to do to give that level of protection. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fertilize these plants and give them one last dose of a good fertilizer with our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. So that I've already done. Give them that little boost of nutrients before we bring them inside. All right, give them the boost of nutrients. And then the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and trim them up. So they're going to get a good haircut. These are two different type of mandevillas. This is the mounding type, so it kind of mounds and crests over. The red ones are the climbing type. So you can see that this is on a trellis and it's been climbing up, and it's been going up our pergola. And so it's a little bit more aggressive with the vining. We're going to go ahead and we're going to cut all that down. And it's going to get a very good haircut. And you don't have to be gentle or delicate about it. It's going to get, all of this is going to get clipped up so that we can bring this indoors. And then we'll put it into a southern or a window where it's going to get a lot of light. They're still going to need a lot of light, and they will shed a lot of their leaves, so the mandevillas specifically. So don't be alarmed by that. When they do start dropping leaves, that's going to be natural. And then we're going to feed them throughout the winter time. We're still going to water them periodically, but they're going to kind of be dormant. And then we're going to get them back onto a program of fertilizing about once a week when we get close to spring, and then get them outside for the summer so they can start growing again. So that's the tips on bringing your outdoor plants inside. That we're just talking specifically about mandevillas today, but this does really apply to a lot of the plants that you can successfully bring indoors. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.